Breastfeeding isn't just about feeding your baby. It's a journey of bonding, patience, and mindfulness. Enter the Lotus Theory, a holistic approach to breastfeeding success that combines physical, emotional, and mental well-being for both mom and baby. Today, we'll dive into the principles of the Lotus Theory with actionable steps to enhance your breastfeeding experience. If you're ready to embrace this transformative journey, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting insights. The lotus blooms when its roots are strong. The same goes for breastfeeding. You need a solid foundation. This means creating a comfortable environment. Find a supportive chair, use nursing pillows, and keep essentials like water and snacks nearby. Your posture matters too. Keep your back supported and your baby close to avoid strain. Have a favorite breastfeeding setup? Share your tips in the comments to help other moms create their own comfortable space. Like a lotus following the sun, breastfeeding flows naturally when you're in tune with your baby's needs. Look for hunger cues like rooting, sucking on fists, or lip smacking. Responding early prevents frustration for both you and your baby. Every baby's rhythm is unique, so don't stress over strict schedules. If you've discovered cues that work for your baby, comment below and share them with the community. A blooming lotus symbolizes connection and growth. Breastfeeding isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. Skin-to-skin contact enhances bonding and releases oxytocin, the love hormone. Hold your baby close, make eye contact, and embrace these precious moments. Remember, this connection nurtures both your baby and your mental health. What helps you stay present during breastfeeding? Let us know in the comments. The lotus grows in calm waters. Mindfulness is a key part of the Lotus Theory. Stress can affect milk supply, so create a calming routine before nursing. Try deep breathing, meditation, or listening to soothing sounds. Focus on the moment. These little moments of calm can make a big difference in your breastfeeding journey. If mindfulness has helped you, share your techniques below to inspire others. Like the lotus thrives in a nurturing environment, breastfeeding success often depends on your ecosystem. Build a support network of family, friends, and professionals. Partner with lactation consultants, join breastfeeding groups, or connect with other moms online. A strong support system can make challenges feel more manageable. Have you found your breastfeeding tribe? Tag someone who supported you in your journey. The Lotus Theory reminds us that breastfeeding is about more than just milk. It's about connection, mindfulness, and growth. By focusing on your physical comfort, your baby's needs, emotional connection, mindfulness, and support, you can create a nurturing and fulfilling breastfeeding experience. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Remember, your journey is unique, and you're doing an amazing job. Thank you for watching, and happy breastfeeding!